Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Monsters, Burna. It's an easy song and only composed of only 4 chords. As always, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of A sharp, and the progression is okay. There are 2 parts of the song. There's a progression for the intro, and then there's the main progression. So the intro starts off at 4, 5, 6, and 3. So if you listen to that intro, this is the chord progression that is going on. So the chords that I'm playing are D sharp major chord. This is an F major chord. G minor chord. And this is okay. This G minor, and this other chord over here is a D minor chord. So again, D sharp major chord, F major, G minor chord, and D minor, G minor and D minor. So this is how you hold D sharp major chord. So I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 5 on the 6th fret, pointer finger, and then my ring finger on the 8th fret, barring string number 2, 3, and 4. So that's D sharp major chord. The chord that follows is F major chord. So F major chord, I'm using this form of holding the F. So I am barring with my pointer finger on the 5th fret, barring string 1, 2, and 3. String 1, 2, and 3 here. My middle finger on the 6th fret, string number 2. My ring finger, string number 4 on the 7th fret, and my small finger, string number 5 on the 8th fret. So this is F major chord. Then D minor chord. So this is not very common way of holding a G minor chord. So my pointer finger is on string number 4, 5th fret. My ring finger, my middle finger, string number 1 on the 6th fret. My ring finger, string number 3 on the 7th fret, and my small finger, string number 2 on the 8th fret. So that's a D minor chord, and this D minor chord is from the D minor form chord there. So this G minor chord. And then this other D minor, now a D minor chord, which I am barring with my pointer finger on the 5th fret, barring string 1 to 5, and then my middle finger is on string number 2, 6th fret, my ring finger, string number 4 on the 7th fret, and my small finger, string number 3 on the 7th fret. So D minor chord. So all together, D sharp major chord, F major chord, G minor chord, and this D minor chord. So this G minor, you can opt to play a bar chord if you're used to bar chords, or you can just play that chord from there. So that's the progression for the intro. And then the main chord progression is the 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. So you can either maybe play with the bar chords, So that's how you will play that song. It's as easy as it is. And well, that's it for this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, you can always feel free to let me know in the comment area. Plus, if you learn from this video, just give me a thumbs up to show you appreciation. Thanks.